Hi, welcome to Thiqa, Refrigeration.
This video will guide you through the process of connecting an exhaust fan in both forward and reverse directions.
Let's get started right away.
The main equipment includes the following: exhaust fan, capacitor, two-way switch, electrical main power source, electrical plug socket. Now, let's start with the wiring connection. Now, we will start the exhaust fan. Now, we will switch on to the reverse direction.
That's it.
If you enjoy what you see, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support empowers us to create more awesome content for you.
Thanks for watching.